Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. This has been one warm, dry fall. The last day in October and the first day in November were short-sleeve, no-coat weather days. The afternoon high air temperatures for Mesonet sites on the last day of October range from 82 degrees to 92. It made for one warm Halloween. The bare soil temperatures at 4 inches showed how soils were holding on to the heat. Half the Mesonet sites had 3-day averages for November 1st at or above 70 degrees. The lowest 3-day average soil temperature was 63 degrees at Eva in the Panhandle. Looking back at October, our average air temperatures for the month were 4 to 7 degrees above average. Northern and central sections of the state, the yellow-orange areas, had the largest departure from average. That has pushed crops like cotton to harvest-ready maturity. Those above average temperatures for October came from warmer daytime temperatures that average 4 to 11 degrees above the long-term 15-year average. For October, the 4-inch soil temperature below bare soil ranged from 2 to 8 degrees above the long-term average. Here's Gary with a look at October rainfall and its impact on drought.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everyone. Well, it's no secret that October was very non-October-ish. We got very little rainfall, lots of heat, and that drought intensified across other parts of the state other than just eastern Oklahoma. So let's take a look at that latest Drought Monitor report and see what we have. Well, as we can see from the latest U.S. Drought Monitor report, that drought is starting to spread from northwestern Oklahoma to the southeast, and we're also seeing spread from that drought in southeastern Oklahoma up to the northwest. In between, there's an area of abnormally dry conditions, not drought yet, so hopefully we can get some rainfall in here, and those two will never meet in the middle. Now, the culprit was that lack of rainfall in October. If you look at this percent of normal rainfall map for October from the Oklahoma Mesonet, you can see all those reds and oranges. Those are 60 to 40 to sometimes less than 20% of normal rainfall for the month of October, so certainly no good news there. Now, if we take a look at the latest November temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, it shows greatly increased odds of above normal temperatures for November, so they're expecting a continuation of that warm October to last into November as well. The U.S. monthly drought outlook for November, therefore, shows that drought across the eastern part of the state either intensifying or persisting or even developing in other parts of that area. And the drought up in northwestern Oklahoma is also expected to either persist or intensify. So not good news if these outlooks come true. So even if November does end up being warmer than normal, that doesn't mean it can't get cold, it can't rain, it can't snow. And we might even see drought relief. We'll just have to wait and see what that day-to-day weather brings. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.